Alright guys, here's another video using the Pick 4 combination generator. So last night's number in New Jersey, the evening came out 2157. You can see it was for May 27th, 2024. Alright, so the number came out 2157, and in the generator, if you look at my history, you'll see I was going to play 1527. It would have came out box. So just so you can see it in action, here's how it goes. I put in 1527, which is what I was going to play, and I generate the combinations. If you look down the combinations, combination number 1, if you would have played those numbers, you would have hit it box there. Combo 2, if you would have played that combo 2 combination, you would have hit again 1527 box. If you go down a little bit more, if you look at combination number 5, if you would have played combo 5, you would have hit 1527. You would have hit it box. And let's go down a little bit more. And then combo 7, if you would even play combo 7, 1527, you would have hit it boxed again. So the app is definitely something of a valuable tool where you're putting in the previous number, and I'm using a mirror in this case of the previous number, but it'll give you combinations to play. So it takes the guesswork out of what numbers to play. It'll just help you along that. All right. So if you want me to do your state, show you, if you're not convinced, if you want me to do your state, just put your state in the comments and like the video, and I will do a demonstration using your state. And if you want to get this app to test it out, I'm offering it free for right now. It's going to be a trial, and I'll send you a link if you DM me your email, and you can get the app. All right, so make sure you like the video and put your state in, and then I will do an example for your state. All right, see you on the other side.